கற்க கசடற கற்பவை கற்றபின் நிற்க அதற்குத் தக. Let a man learn thoroughly whatever he may learn, and let his conduct be worthy of his learning.
The COVID-19 has resulted in shut of schools and colleges across the world. Globally, over 1.2 billion children are out of the classroom. As a result, education has changed dramatically, with the distinctive rise of e-learning, where teaching is undertaken remotely and on digital platforms. Education plays a key role in the development of human civilization. Since the ancient days, the method of learning is constantly evolving with time and is still going through numerous changes owing to the advancing technologies. Traditional learning holds the use of conventional learning tools comprising of blackboards, chalks, books and pens. Confined within the walls of classrooms, students acquire education from teachers present in the classroom and get direct assistance from them in the time of inconvenience or doubts regarding the subject. It helps students to gain social exposure, extracurricular activities and to get proper guidance. In any educational setting, there are often limitations in the various resources available. This is often seen foremost in the traditional classroom. Due to budget restraints or constraints on time, the means to teach students in scenarios that allow them to learn by doing can be a challenge. It is very important that at a young age, children are oriented towards practical knowledge rather than relying completely over their bookish knowledge. Practical knowledge helps in contributing to the holistic development of a child. To gain practical knowledge, you need to explore various options and see what works the best. Practical knowledge develops a thorough understanding of the subject by which knowledge is retained in the child's brain and they can be easy to relate with real-time applications. School closures due to COVID-19 have brought significant disruptions to education and hence everyone have shifted to online or e-learning. Immersing learners to real world and interact them with that world mostly cannot be convenient. Although the natural world is three-dimensional, we prefer to use two-dimensional media in education, which is very convenient, familiar, flexible, portable and inexpensive. But it is static and does not offer the dynamic content. Alternatively, computer-generated three-dimensional virtual environment can be used, but these scenes requires high-performance computer graphics which is more expensive than others. Although lots of opportunities virtual worlds may present for teaching and learning, it is hard to provide an adequate level of realism. When users are completely immersed in this environment, they become divorced from the real environment. So, it gives you virtual things by modeling the real world you're experiencing. Nowadays, a new medium, augmented reality, offers us unique affordances, combining physical and virtual worlds. This is the new way of manipulating how we interact with that world. Without replacing the real world you're experiencing, this technology augments virtual information on top of the real world with continuous and implicit user control of the point of view and interactivity. AR allows flexibility in use that is attractive to education. AR technology can be utilized through a variety of mediums including desktops, mobile devices, and smartphones. The technology is portable and adaptable to a variety of scenarios. AR can be used to enhance content and instruction within the traditional classroom, supplement instruction in the special education classroom, extend content into the world outside the classroom, and be combined with other technologies to enrich their individual applications. So, here we have developed a 3D model of engineering concepts using SolidWorks, and this can be projected in Augmented app in a mobile at student's end. This enables the student to have clear understanding in the subject matters. This new technology allows the learning to be student-centered and create opportunities for collaboration that fosters a deeper understanding of the content. AR is on the way to becoming an important part of education, and its use will continue to grow. When the potential of AR technologies are fully explored, it can be used widely in all the fields of education, and the efficiency of the teaching and learning process will be improved.